I'm going to show you an easy way to highlight text in CapCut PC. So I want to highlight this headline from this old newspaper that says reason for more bear sightings, more bears. So I've taken it, I've dragged it on top of just a stock background video that I have. You can use any background you want. So step one, select the top clip and we're going to make a copy, Control C and then Control V to paste it and drag it over so it matches with the other clip. Now with the top clip selected again, we're going to go over to video and adjustments. Then we're going to scroll down to exposure and bring that all the way down. Next, we're going to go back to video and we're going to create a mask. So video, mask, and then we're going to add mask. We're going to go with rectangle. And then I'm going to simply adjust this so it's over the headline text or the area that you want to highlight. So that's good enough. Next step, I'm going to feather it a little bit. So you see feather right here. We'll just go with like that much feathering, play around with it and see what works best for you. Okay, next step, you're going to click on reverse. So right here, you'll see reverse. Click on that, and now our headline is highlighted. All right, let's make this look even better. So let's add another element to this. We're gonna take our top layer and we're just going to drag it in a little bit, select our top layer, and then go to animation, and then we'll just say fade in. You can pick any one you want, and then if we play it, that just adds a nice little element to it. Let me show you that one more time if we hit play. So that's pretty cool. You could leave it like that if you wanted to. One more thing I'll show you is that if you select both the top clip and the middle clip right here, and then right click and say create compound clip, we can now animate this. So let's click on that top clip and let's go to animation and choose any animation you want. In this case, we'll just say shake slide. So now if we play this, it's gonna shake slide in and then we get the fade in, shake slide in, fade in. That's a simple way to highlight text in CapCut PC. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next video.